So we have a new shop edition. It's, I believe, early 1900s, 1913, maybe 1930-ish, 1925, Leblond No. 1 universal tool and cutter grinder. I got a heck of a deal on this one. I'm looking for one that I would dedicate just for sharpening the cutters for my mill, horizontal mill. We have a KO tool and cutter grinder, but you know, the time it takes to set this thing up, I was really wanted to get one which was 100% dedicated for this. So got lucky. You got a really good deal on this. Motor runs 110 volts, and I'm going to give you guys a show on how this thing runs. We have this on rolling cart because I'm not really sure how the head works at this point. It looks like I may have to swing this around depending upon what we want to grind, but everything works. The table works perfectly. I was lucky enough to find the corresponding nut which came with it, so I can make a handle for rapids. Swing works, table in and out. Actually, from that time frame, it's a very ingenious device. Very impressed overall. So there'll be more videos on this on Leblond No. 1 universal grinder. We'll be setting this thing up specifically just for horizontal mill cutter, spiral cutters, and we'll get those posted. Hope you enjoy.